Tools needed for this install is a T25 Torx bit, Phillips screwdriver, and a small flathead. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a taillight installation video on a 2002 to 2006 Dodge Ram pickup. Let's get started and open up the tailgate. First step, using your T25 Torx bit, remove 2 screws holding your taillight. Next, to unseat your taillight, you're going to grab it firmly on the top and carefully disconnect the ball joint on the top and then the bottom. After you unseat your taillight, go and get a small flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to press down on this red tab holding the harness. From here, you're going to press down on the tab on the connector and disconnect your taillight. Before we install our taillight, go ahead and bring over your factory OEM taillight. Take it to the back. You're going to grab a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to remove 4 Phillips screws to remove the light bulb sockets. After removing your screws, carefully lift up on the bulb socket strip. Go ahead and grab your new taillight. We're going to turn it over to the back. We're going to disconnect the reverse light bulb socket by turning it counterclockwise. Next, you're going to grab the bottom bulb, which is the reverse light bulb. You're going to plug that into the bulb socket. Install it back into the assembly. Turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Now we're ready to install our taillight. Go ahead and bring over your new taillight. Now be sure to use the screws that were provided with the taillight. So go ahead and plug in your taillight. Slide the red clip to lock it in place. And get your harness out of the way. Now these 2 guide pins here, make sure you line it up with the holes to drop it into the slot. Carefully press it in place. From here, go ahead and reinstall the Phillips screws. Okay. After installing your passenger side taillight, let's repeat the same process to the driver's side. Now that we have our taillights installed, let's close the tailgate and test all our taillight functions.